kill varmints.
We've got a vet coming out in about 45 minutes, coming from like the Stockton area. And she's gonna do house visits and see. We think he's got a blockage, urinary infection. It can happen in male goats once they are fixed, and it's like kidney stones basically. So Reggie goat may have to go to heaven today if something has burst inside of him already. So we gave him 2 aspirins for goats, so maybe that's helped him a little bit. But he's really a sweet goat, and he's a love bug. But hopefully the vet can either fix him or put him out of his misery humanely. Huh, buddy? Right? Because he is just the most lovable goat. So yeah. So we'll see what happens to Reggie goat. In the meantime, we're just trying to make him as comfortable as possible. Reggie loves to play, and he loves to jump, and he loves to chase Oliver. What are you doing? That's your buddy right there. You gotta say a prayer for him. There's Ewok. What are you doing, buddy? Yeah, you took our chair. Yeah, there's Olivia. Let's see, and so Lily is his girlfriend goat. So I'm not sure where. Oh, she's probably taking a nap. Lily goat. So where's Lily goat, buddy? And there's Olivia goat. Oh, that's not an Olivia goat. That's a kitty cat. That's Mafiosa. That's the farm princess. She rules the roost. Huh, Olivia? I think Lily's just sitting. Oh yeah. Lily goat. What are you doing? Lily goat? Aww. Reggie.